Good day everyone, your speaker for today, Stephanie Pritz Ayhamili. So, online education, the innovative method of learning and its impact. It all starts because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Everything has changed. The lives of every people around the world has changed. From the traditional going to school, work, church, social gatherings, and many more will literally change and turns into a new normal because of this pandemic. Apart from that, what I want to focus from this speech is about the impact of this online learning to the students, how we can cope up from this mode of learning, and when it may end. So, to everyone who watched this video, I want you all to be informed from the 3 questions to be discussed later. But first, let me share to you what is COVID-19. So further to know, COVID-19 sickness, also known as the coronavirus, is an ailment caused by a new coronavirus known as Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2, the SARS-CoV-2, formerly known as 2019 nCoV, which was first detected in Wuhan City, Hubei Province, China during an epidemic of respiratory sickness cases. On December 31, 2019, it was first reported to the World Health Organization. That's why it is called as COVID-19 because this disease or this virus starts in 2019. And as you can observe, it merely affects the lives of every people and everyone is experiencing the crisis globally. So this COVID-19 is one of the reasons why the learning systems also of the students turns into an online education from face-to-face classes. It is sad to experience and hear the rants of the students that they suffer literally from this kind of mode of learning. During the outbreak of COVID-19, online schools have been established all around the world for students to receive their education. The pandemic closed schools in the beginning of March 2020 and over 1.2 billion students are unable to attend classes. And of that, this new mode of learning systems has discovered its positive and negative impacts of the students with regards for not having a socialization to the others and of course for their mental health issues that is common and observing nowadays in the students who enrolled in this online learning class. And now, I am going to discuss and inform you of what is the positive and negative impact in this modality of learning, which is the online class and its impact to the students. So first, we have the positive. The positive impact of the students is that it allows students to be involved in school without having to physically attend, and it protects them safe from the COVID-19 and it cost effective. Also, the students could decide when they want to do the assignments. In short, the students are handled their time a day in their class. Students also can engage in new normal class via online school utilizing a variety of tools such as Google Classroom, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams among others. In this way, students can participate in the synchronous session. So what is synchronous session mean? So it is a live lectures and class lessons delivered by video conferencing software, where students and instructors meet online at specific times to discuss course topics and answer the questions. Because it generates a sense of pace and closeness that helps form a classroom community, this most closely resembles the classroom atmosphere. Also, they can ask their concerns about the subject, share their thoughts to the lessons, or addressing their problems to their professors or teachers. They can use it also even when a synchronous session where they can open their modules there to answer the assignments and view the announcement to the teachers. It is students' ability to acquire knowledge, demonstrate what they've learned, and communicate with classmates and instructors on their own schedule, and is referred to as not keeping time together. In addition, it helps also from the parents to spend money because their students have not yet undergo in the face-to-face classes. With these numerous advantages to online learning, the approach appears to have a lot of beneficial effects and appears to be an obvious choice for schools. But aside from that, there's also disadvantages in this new mode of learning. So, are you ready to know? Now, let me discuss to you the negative impacts of it, this is a cause to social isolation because as you all know, these existing e-learning systems in use in education tend to cause reflection, isolation, and a lack of connection among students. And the combination of social isolation and a lack of communication can lead to a variety of mental health difficulties, including increased stress, anxiety, and negative thinking. So this could be resulting to trigger the mental health issues of the students. Being isolated in home a year, facing everyday the gadgets, laptop, personal computer that may consume more than an hour in a day causes to drain the mind in every students. They can't even sometimes socialize to the other because of their busy day. Second, technology isn't always reliable and it can cause severe class disruptions. A student's Wi-Fi or data may slow down abruptly, preventing them from turning in an assignment on time or preventing them from attending class and missing teaching. Because everyone has not a stable internet connection and not everyone has the same status in life. And some also of the professors or teachers may not consider on it. That's why students could feel pressure and sometimes it turns into anxiety and negative overthinking because of their what-ifs. Furthermore, students who attended in an online class having a hard time learning the topics because there are additional distractions that divert their attention away from their studies. Indeed, it is difficult to survive in this kind of situation, thinking positive and negative impacts of this online learning from the students. I hope this will help and give you awareness as a parents who watch this video to guide the students throughout their journey from this online mode of learning. But wait, there's more. Because I want to share also with you the information on how we can cope up from the negative impacts of this online modality as a student. So, to answer the how, we can cope up from this kind of challenging situation by having our adjustments, time management, being motivated, and show how eager to learn despite of this online learning. Also, we must have to strive hard and keep fighting and pushing for us to become stronger throughout the journey of this modality. I know students out there needs a break because some of them have these mental issues in an online learning, but it's up to them on how they can handle it. And lastly, to answer when it may end, we don't know when it is because there's still this pandemic that we're facing right now. We can't go back yet to our traditional classes, which is the face-to-face class. Hopefully, sooner or later, this world will go back to normal where we can free to socialize to other people, free to go outside, and free to go to school. In conclusion, based on what I have gathered information from this online learning, can lead to a poor performance, and this innovative method of learning today can result to a mental health issues, and it's not a way to make the learning of the students be more efficient into their future. Because based from the quotes that I have read, online learning is a convenient investment but not a good one. So that's all for today. I hope that this information or this informative speech of mine could help you gain more knowledge that could realize the awareness from the impacts of this online education, the innovative learning and its impact, especially to the students, parents, and to all of my listeners and audience out there. Thank you for listening, everyone. God bless and more power.